Welcome back to Monday, start of the week. Look forward to a long weekend coming up. Yeah, long weekend coming up, which is good because I didn't get any car done this weekend. We stayed at London Zoo. You can stay in the middle of the lion enclosure, nearly, pretty much, in these little huts. So I took the wife and the kids for that. Everyone enjoyed that, which was all good. Went down well. Highly recommend the experience if you guys ever get a chance, or you like the old zoos and stuff. So yeah, you get a walk around after dark and after the park's closed, so no annoying families with children. So yeah, all good. So anyway, as I said, nothing happened at the weekend, so I've got a very short space of time. So what we're going to do is, in our lunch hour, just get this inner A panel. I think I'm happy with it now. We'll get some welds on it and get it in. I think, yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Good. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, I was about to weld it, as you saw. Well, you didn't see. And I changed my mind because I'm still not 100% happy with this bottom hinge. So basically, it seems like the A panel is tucking in. It's bowed inwards. It's not really bowed, but the curve's not right. So when this bolt clamps up, basically the bottom of the hinge is pulling in, and so it doesn't look nice. And obviously something's not quite right. And I've got the hinge flat now. What I've done is I've taken the inner A panel out, just so that's not affecting me now. I need to sort of know what's going on. So basically what I've done is, because what I've got is I've still got some tack welds down the back of the A panel where I've tacked it on. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to try and cut a couple of the tack welds off around this hinge area and just try and change the curve slightly at the bottom part of this A panel. So just bring this A panel out where the hinge is, just pull it out a bit, just by a millimetre or so. So it's still flush down the bottom there, so I won't undo the bottom tack and I won't do any up here. And I'll just change the curve slightly and it will match the door a bit more. And I think that will help stop the hinge pulling in. So we'll give that a go, that's the idea. Worst thing we're going to do is make it even worse. Don't know if you can really see that, but basically, yeah, I've split my tack welds, and then basically all I'm going to try and do is just bring the bottom of this A panel out just by a millimetre. I'm not trying to sort of obviously put a brand new curve in it. You don't really want to do that. I'm just trying to bend the curve, the bottom part here, just slightly curve it slightly, which I could have got wrong. Just enough. Just basically, what I'm trying to do is keep the sort of front of the A panel technically in the same position, but bring it out so basically the A panels straightens up the hinge a bit. So I think the best thing to do is we spread it apart a bit, and we get a tack weld on it, pop the door back on, and have a look, see what it's doing. I think that's the best thing. You can obviously see the split that I've already opened up a bit anyway, so it's more. So you can sort of feel a slight high spot now where the hinge is being pulled a bit, where it's not been in the position it needs to be. Okay, that's 95% better. I'm just going to leave it I've run out of time now to weld this, so I need to decide if that's going to be good enough. Can't bring it out much more. So yeah, obviously you don't know the hinges as well, the quality of the hinges, that doesn't help either. But you can test it mainly on the straight edge going across there as well, so in the end the hinges should be straight. If they're not, obviously that's an issue as well. So yeah, before I plough on and weld that on again, I'll leave it like that for the moment so I can think about it. Did the giveaway this morning. I pulled the randomly picked, the system randomly picks winners. So I've contacted 3 winners, so one of them's replied, the other 2 are still waiting, so I'll give them a while to actually respond before re-picking. I know not everyone checks their emails as much as me. So yeah, so congratulations to them, and congratulations to everybody else for entering. You had to be in it to win it, so I do apologise if you haven't won, but maybe next time. So anyway, yeah, very short update as I said though. There's only so much time I get, but it's worth just doing a little bit and a little bit, because you slowly do move forward with it. So just allows you sometimes to think about things as well. My Achilles heel is I can rush sometimes, so it's good just to walk away from something sometimes, just so you can see what's going on, have a think about it. You know, maybe I can bring the A-pan out a bit more as well. Maybe it can come out just another little bit, but I'm worried about the bottom end, you see, so I need to figure out what's really. But always a compromise. So anyway, till next time, hopefully we can get that welded on, inner wing. We can then start looking at the front end again, which we've left for the moment. We can make a good start on that hopefully, and we'll be getting there one step at a time. Alright, cheers everyone, see you Tuesday, hope your Monday went alright.